did you know you wanted to become an attorney when you grew up? That's actually a pretty good question. For me, I've always wanted to become an attorney from as far back as I can remember. I actually remember when I was around, I don't know, maybe 7, 8, or 8, 9. I used to watch this show called Night Court on television. And it was the first time I was introduced to the criminal justice system or the court system in the United States. There was this attorney on there. Her name was Christine, I believe. And I remember thinking, man, she is absolutely beautiful. And she used to come to work or to court all dressed up and suited up. And I thought, man, I want to dress up every day to go to work, right? And I thought, well, in order to have that, to be able to dress up and look good every single day, then yeah, I must become an attorney. So at that point, I wanted to become an attorney just for that. But fast forward to when I was around 11 or 12 years old, my mom rented this home from what I would call a real slumlord today, right? We all had problems with our appliances and our AC, and he wouldn't fix those problems as much as my mother complained. But he was always knocking on our door the first of every month collecting rent. And I remember thinking at that young age that that's not fair. It can't be right. So we had a nearby library, and I went to that library. I went there to research landlord-tenant law. And I know that sounds crazy, but I must have gotten the idea from watching Night Court. And I printed out all my research, and I took it to the landlord. And basically, it just said that, a home has to be inhabitable, meaning it has to be suitable for someone to live in there in order to collect rent. And so I gave the landlord this information, and I told him at that young age, I told him if he didn't fix these things, then we would not pay rent. And I kid you not, the next day he had workers at our house fixing all the major problems that my mom spoke about. And I thought, man, knowing the law, this is some powerful stuff. And I think that's what cemented it for me. That's really what nailed it down. And I thought, yeah, I definitely want to become an attorney when I grow up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.